Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you insulted your teacher. You should say when and where it happened, how it happened, how you solved it, and how you felt about the situation. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So when you get a question like this, it is a common tendency to get swayed away, but please make sure that you do not say anything which is offensive. Okay, so you can talk about any kind of incidents that you have come across in your schooling days or maybe in your college days where you actually mocked at your teacher and then later resolved it by some means. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Teaching and imparting knowledge both play a crucial role in every individual's life and are considered to be essential in shaping one's career and future. However, today I would like to speak about a time when I unintentionally mocked at my teacher. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So, unintentionally means not on purpose. That means you did not do it on purpose. Mocked means insulted. So, we used a better vocabulary word and did not use the word that was already in the question. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that when I was in my ninth standard, I skipped one of my physical training class being held at my school playground and informed my instructor that I was unwell and hence could not engage in any kind of fitness activities. Moreover, my teacher excused me and permitted me to use the spare time according to my own choice. I was extremely joyous and was gossiping with one of my classmates and was sharing stories of my previous night's wedding party. I even told her that I was extremely tired in the morning and did not want to attend the class and just told a white lie to the teacher, convinced him quite easily, and we both started giggling together. So, white lie is an idiom which means to lie or to be dishonest. So, you can add this to your idiom list, and using idiomatic vocabulary increases our band scores for our lexical resources part. Also, you can see instead of using the word teacher again and again, we have used a few synonyms for saying the same thing. Like, for example, we used instructor, and later we will also be using another synonym which is educator. So, you can add all of these to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can add this in your conversation as well. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down the words as I'm telling the meaning so that you do not forget it later on. Alright, so we have answered the first 2 questions, which is when and where it happened and how it happened. The last 2 questions, which is how you solved it and how you felt about the situation, still remains. So let's answer those. Meanwhile, my teacher was behind us and had heard everything, so he started scolding me for playing a prank on him and felt offended. Furthermore, I immediately realized my mistake and apologized to him and asked him to forgive me for my mistake. Finally, my educator explained how important it is to remain fit as a fiddle, as well as the importance of overall physical well being to achieve one's goals in life, and I promised to keep his lesson in mind forever. So, fit as a fiddle is an idiom that means to remain fit and fine or to remain fit and healthy. I felt quite relieved and jubilant thereafter as he forgave me for my mischief. So, jubilant means to be very happy, so we used a better vocabulary word. Forgave means to forgive or to let go someone. It's the past tense of forgive. And mischief means to be naughty or for your notorious act. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.